Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doreen, but if you like it, you can call me D. For new members, welcome to Beyond Being D and be part of this family. For the existing members, thank you for your subscription so far. I'm glad you're part of this. And today, we're making a new video. That means we're doing something different. So let's check out what we're doing today. Okay, let me just tell you what we're going to make MABUYU. Most of you like MABUYU and so I'm excited. Let me show you how you can make them. You can buy and make them so that you're able to enjoy with your family at home. So guys, step number one, this is water and I'm going to add sugar. Here we have sugar, we have our MABUYU, and we have unga wa MABUYU, and then we have our cardamom, and then we have our food color that I'm going to use on my MABUYU. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this sugar here, as you can see. I think that's enough. Yes, then I'm going to stir ama kukoroga until the sugar dissolves. Keep stirring, don't stop. Ndio sukari isishike huko chini. You can see what I'm doing. I keep stirring. Make sure you don't use high heat. I want it to be a little bit thick, so I'm going to add sugar. Yes, looks better now. Meanwhile, I'm also going to add and nitaongeza cardamom ama iliki. Yes, guys, this is my mixture, how it looks. I also have cardamom powder. This one you can see here. So I'm going to add ati kidogo. I don't want a lot of it. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add food color. Our food color here. This is egg yellow. For today, I decided to use egg yellow. Depends how you want your color to be. If you want a light color or if you want your color to be, I don't know how to say it, yani kuwa inaonekana vizuri, you can add more, but I think for me this is enough. So I'm going to reduce my motor. You can see how my mixture looks like. I want to add my MABUYU. Mabuyu zangu ndio hizi hapa. Nataka kuziweka hapa ndani. And then mix them well. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Keep mixing them, just keep mixing them. Ndio kila ubuyu uweze kupata hiyo sukari. Naongeza unga wa mabuyu. Ndio ukipata mabuyu, if you want to become, naelewa ndiweze kuwa kubwa, because yes, I think that's enough. Then I'm just going to mix it well. Make sure you mix well. See how they look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them cool down, and then remove from the sufuria and put on an open dish. Then give them 2 to 3 hours for them to dry, but you can still have them as they are, but for me I will wait for them to dry. Yes, and then get to enjoy my mabuyu.